Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out is it bullish trend reversal signal or it's a just bullish trend or bull trap. What's going on with the stock market world? Let's move to my trading view and we will figure out. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup, training, and other links about all my setup. Let's move to, let me mention about my setup. I'm using MACD indicator, only one indicator. MACD, green line, it's a bullish line, red line, it's a bearish line, white line, it's a signal line, yellow line, it's a zero line between bullish territory and bearish territory. Very simple. And moving averages, simple moving averages, MA200 white line, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, green line MA5. This green line, it's a major trend line from the top of the market. We already touched this trend line several times, and recently we did bullish crossover over this major trend line. Let me maximize it and we will start our review. Also, I'm using buy and sell script. You can watch it, right? You can watch it, and we will. Let's start from SPY. For swing trading, I'm using daily and 4 hours time frame, and that's all. Let's start it. Okay, daily SPY. Buy signal on the script, MA5 ready for bullish crossover over 10 and 20. It didn't confirm yet. It's a positive direction. Buy signal. It almost touched MA200. I'm sorry, MA20. Yellow line is MA20. We'll see now MA20 as a resistance. It can be rejected from MA20. Maybe on Monday it will touch it and will be rejected. Or maybe it will move up and make a new high from recent point. Recent new high. Will be double top. We'll see, and after that will be sell. I don't know. So far, yeah, MACD is still red, still bearish with bullish divergences. Remember that I told you bullish divergences on the histogram. It wants to go bullish, and it did move bullish. It was because yesterday it was very far from 20. Now it's connected to 20. We'll see what will happen, what kind of behavior will be for SPY. On daily time frame, it's still kind of, it's positive, but no fully confirmed about bullish trend. 4 hours time frame, different picture, right? It did bounce from the MA200 buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar close above MA20, bullish signal on MACD. MACD, bullish divergences worked very well. It's bullish signal on MACD, green, right? Green bullish signal. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a similar bullish trend, bullish signal, buy signal. Yesterday it was below the MA200 and 20 below all moving averages. Now it's above all moving averages. Quick move up, left some gap. Bullish crossover over 200. MACD bullish. Moving averages bullish. All indicators bullish. Do you see it? We had before yesterday, it did build bullish divergences right over here. Yesterday, I told you it was bullish divergence. MACD was bullish, and it quickly moved to bullish run because of the bullish divergences. Okay, there is, the gap is almost closed, right? The gap is over here, the one more gap over here, around 408. 408. We'll see if it's going to close on Monday or it will have some correction, because now it's far from 820, right? Last bar far from 820, and remember We know the rule, it always wants to connect to MA20, but before to connect to MA20, it has to connect to MA10, and it has to retest MA200. Bullish trend on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame for SPY. Let's move to Qs. Qs daily. Qs daily, buy signal in a script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. Last bar did bullish crossover over 20, close about 200, about white line, but untouched MA20. MA20 was bullish before and recently changed direction to flat, even curled down. It's kind of bearish. I don't know, maybe it will be rejected. It can be rejected from 20. It can be rejected from 20. MACD still red. Still red. On daily time frame for Qs. MA20 very strong resistant. Yeah, let's see, similar, that green line is a major trend line from the top of the market. Similar like SPY. Let me show you quickly, right? It's the top of the market, and it's Qs didn't test this major trend line. SPY already tested, right? SPY already tested major trend line, and it bounced from the major trend line. Qs didn't. Maybe Qs still will revisit and will test at a major trend line. We'll see. Let's move to 4 hours time frame for Qs. Let me maximize it. On 4 hours time frame, it tested MA200, it touched MA200 and bounced from it yesterday. Yesterday it bounced. Buy signal in the script, but remember, MACD green, it's a bullish signal, bullish trend, but MA20 downtrend. That's only one negative, it's MA20 downtrend. But everything is a bullish divergences on the histogram, and MACD change color from red to green. It's a bullish signal 4 hours time frame for Qs. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a bullish trend, very bullish. It touched, almost touched 300. It closed the gap. We had a gap over here. It closed, and we have one more gap around 303, 330, 302, 330, 303. It can close this gap too, or it have some correction. We'll see. We'll see. It's a huge run. MA20 is still below 200. MA10 and 5 did bullish crossover over 200. Bullish signal in 1 hour time frame. It's in overbought territory. It can have some correction on Monday, or it can have, like I said, bull run on Monday, closes two gaps, and after that it will be sell off on maybe Tuesday. We'll see. Daily time frame. I'm sorry, daily. Dow Jones daily. Dow Jones daily. Buy signal. MACD is still red. Buy signal. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. No confirmation. Positive move. No confirmation yet on other indicators. We like when all indicators align in the same direction. That's the full confirmation for us. Like on 4 hours, right? On 4 hours, MACD green, check. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, check. Buy signal on the mode, bullish trend on all indicators, right? That's because of that bullish divergences that I told you yesterday. That market has bullish divergences. Dow Jones bullish, but remember, negative thing, MA20 did bearish crossover. It is powerful. It definitely wants to connect to MA20 because MA20 downtrend. Let me show you similar. Do you have similar? Yeah, bullish crossover. You see, it's like over here. MA20 was downtrend, move up, but it did sell off anyway. Even here, move up and did sell off. MA20, it's very powerful moving averages line. All indicators bullish. I like it. All indicators bullish. I worry only about 20. Maybe it will continue bull run and MA20 will change direction to bullish. We'll see. So far, everything bullish. On 1 hour time frame, it touched MA200, right? And it's far from MA20. It can be rejected. It can be rejected because of that MA200 line. MA200 can be resistant, or it can move up because over here it's a gap around 337, 336. It can move up and close this gap, and after that it will be sell off. We'll see. I believe it will sell off from this level because of the 200. Maybe on Monday it will sell off. Bullish trend on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame. Let's move to IWM. IWM. Similar story. Daily time frame, buy signal on the script. MA5 did bullish crossover. MACD is still bearish. 2 indicators bullish, 1 indicator bearish. No full confirmation. It bounced from MA200. It touched double bottom, touched 2 times MA200 and bounced from it. Bullish signal. MACD is still red. On 4 hours time frame, fully confirmed bullish trend. MACD green, buy signal, MA5 bullish crossover, bullish trend. Last bar close below above all moving averages. Bullish trend. On 4 hours time frame, let's check 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover, even it's a bullish. MACD green bullish. Last bar touched the level, it's a gap. We have gap over here, large gap. It can be rejected from that gap, or it can move up to 92.70 and close the gap, and after that it will sell off. We'll see. It can move up because MA20 did bullish crossover. MA20 positive, and at the same time it's far from MA20. It can move and close the gap, and after that it can be correction. We'll see. Bullish trend on 1 hour. Let's move to Apple. Apple daily. Apple daily buy signal. Only buy signal, no confirmation on moving averages yet. No confirmation on MACD, still red. Apple still bearish on daily. 4 hours, Apple already bullish, right? Yesterday was bearish, today is bullish. Very quick change. That's what I mentioned to you. We follow the market. We don't guess, we don't predict the market. We follow the market. Market change direction. If you have Apple position in bearish, close it because it changed direction to bullish. Buy signal on all indicators. Bullish crossover on all indicators, 4 hours time frame. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover. Green line on MACD. MA20 ready for bullish crossover. It is bullish signal. Bullish signal, and it stopped at the gap level. It wants, I believe on Monday, it wants to close this gap. Maybe this gap also. And after that, let me show you. I hope you see these gaps. It's one gap. This is second gap. Second gap. 2 gaps. And yeah, on Monday, let me tell you how gaps work, right? It can touch the gap, and gap can be resistant and can be rejected from it. Or it can close the gap, and after that it will be rejected. It has two kind of, it can be two kind of actions. When it touched gap, it can be rejected, or when it closed gap, it can be rejected. Fill and close. Okay, bullish on 1 hour and 4 hours time frame, Apple. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla daily. Tesla daily bearish, right? MA5 did bearish crossover over 20. MACD red, bearish. Bearish trend, all moving averages below 200. Tesla still bearish. 4 hours time frame. still bearish also. It did move, it was huge gap down, touched the MA20, and huge move up to close the gap. Still bearish, still below MA20. MACD still red, still bearish. On 4 hours time frame, let's check 1 hour bullish. Buy signal was, now it's a sell signal. MA5 did bullish crossover, MACD green. MACD green, maybe it wants to have some correction on 1 hour time frame. Still green, still bullish with the sell signal on the script. Let's move to BABA. BABA daily time frame. Still bearish. MA5 below all moving averages, still bearish. It's kind of dancing around this support level. Remember I told you it's like 95 and 90, between 95 and 90, between 85 and 95, it's a lot of resistance and it's dancing in this time frame. MACD is still red, still bearish on moving averages on daily time frame. 4 hours, it's a buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover. MACD green, it's a bullish divergences, bullish signal on 1 hour time on 4 hours time frame. Bullish reversal signal on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour, it's a bullish also, right? Bullish trend, MACD bullish divergences, bullish on 1 hour time frame for BABA. That's all. Let's do summary. Let's move to Qs. Qs and SPY, they're still on daily time frame, buy signal, mixed mode, not fully conformed, but on 4 hours time frame and 1 hour time frame, it all in indexes bullish. On daily, it's still 50-50 mode, not fully confirmed on daily, but on 4 hours and 1 hour time frame, market already, all indexes already changed direction from bearish to bullish. Only one negative thing that I'm worried, it's MA20, because MA20 downtrend direction, it's a bearish. It is bearish direction, and same for the SPY. SPY on 4 hours downtrend direction, MA20 yellow line, and on the Nasdaq the same. Dow is the same, even worse. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. That's only one thing that it worry. I'm worried about only MA20, because MA20 very powerful. The bars can connect to MA20. Maybe they will have some correction on 1 hour time frame, connect to MA20, and bounce from it. Maybe like this one, I don't know. Maybe like it will do sell off, touch the MA20, and change direction for MA20, just bring the MA20 to uptrend. That's what can happen. That's possible. It can come back to MA20, touch it, and turn the MA20 to uptrend. We'll see. Yeah, because on 1 hour it's very overbought and can have some correction. That's all. Yeah, market changed direction for last 2 days. It changed direction from bearish to bullish reversal signal. It's not a bull trap. I don't see bull trap. So far, I don't see bull trap action. It is market reversal signal. Bullish reversal signal. That's what we have. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational purposes only. For educational purposes, we are using paper money account. Thank you so much. Let's move to last page. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. And tomorrow I will publish weekly and monthly market update. Thank you and good luck. Bye now.